WION Broadband Olympic Edition, partnered by Kia Sonet. Wild by design. Get ready for a new level of wild. PokerStars, India's home of online poker.
Obviously, Agassi then moved on to the finals, and then you had to play the bronze medal match, and you were up against a Brazilian Fernando Meligeni. Now, I actually went back and looked at Brazil at those Olympics, and they had a great Olympics. They had 15 medals, which was a record for them back then. They had 3 gold medals already. So you could sort of say that the pressure was off Meligeni. He didn't need to win that match. It didn't matter for them. It mattered for India, because if you won, we would be on the podium for the first time since 80. And he played you off the park in the first set.
I knew that playing Meligeni, who was a very uncanny southpaw. He had a wicked left-handed serve that had tremendous slice on it. I never enjoyed playing against lefties in singles, because there weren't that many of them around to start with. So you didn't get to practice with them much. So the spins that the lefties would create would be very unique and very awkward to deal with. So I went out, and Meligeni hammered me in the first set. He just took my serve early, and he pushed me to all sorts of corners on the court. Every time I came to the net, instead of going around me, he just went right through me. And the power that he was creating, my wrist could not withstand that power and that unorthodox lefty spin. So I lost that first set fairly handedly. He got an early break, if I'm not mistaken, and just cruised right through. And I knew that I had to focus mentally. And every time I looked at my father in the stands, he just kept on saying focus. And when I came out to serve for the medal at 5-4, I just kept on reminding myself first serves and first volleys, first serves and first volleys. And I played, I think it was about 5 or 6 first serves and first volleys. And when that final passing shot of Meligeni sailed over my head and sailed beyond the baseline, I just put my hands up. And most people thought it was in triumph. But I was just so exhausted from the sheer mental and physical pain that I had to endure over many, many, many years to achieve my goal. To sleep in those locker rooms when I never had money, to be this champion in the Olympics, or when I didn't have training facilities and people kept on saying, "Auqaat kya hai tera?" To persevere through all of that and stand on that podium in Atlanta with the medal around my neck and with Andre Agassi and Sergi Bruguera on my right, and watch the Indian flag go up. I felt very proud that day to be an Indian boy.
You know, Leander, lots of emotion there. But you've won a lot in your career. I mean, all those Grand Slams, so many doubles titles, all those Masters. You won Asian Games. I've seen you win as well. But the abiding memory when you talk of Leander Paes is you standing on that podium, as you mentioned, with Agassi and Sergei Bruguera. And you know what draws me to that photo is this boyish charm, and also the smile on your face, thinking that I pulled off a heist. Is that how you remember it as well?
100%. I remember after I won and I came back into the locker room, and I hugged my parents and my family, and I came back in the locker room and I went to Dougie Spreen and the doctor, and I went to say thank you for their belief in me. Both of them were just shaking their heads. I remember Juan Antonio Samaranch, the IOC president at the time, came into the locker room, and he said, "I'm very proud of you as a young Indian boy to win India's first individual medal after so many years." He goes, "These are some great strides you've taken for your country." These sort of memories stem from a very deep passion for excellence. They stem from a very deep desire to prove to your countrymen that we as Indians can also be world beaters in an international sport where most people will not believe in us, and they will ask us, "Auqaat kya hai?" But never ever did I see how it would create such a wave and a movement, because since Atlanta, we've come back from every single Olympics with some medal or some form of medal, you know.
WION Broadband Olympic Edition, partnered by Kia Sonet, wild by design. Get ready for a new level of wild. PokerStars, India's home of online poker.